Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Cal Kestis. So without any further ado, let us begin. Firstly, the legs that I'm using come from the Armourer. The torso comes from this Ewing pilot, and I have swapped on some skin coloured hands. The hair and the cloak come from this Ben Kenobi minifigure. I added the bag from Finn. And finally, I took the head from this Stormtrooper. If you've done it correctly, your minifigure should now look something like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're building it. I believe this minifigure has turned out a tad more accurate than the last one that I made, and overall I think I've done a pretty good job. If you have any ideas for any future videos or things I could do, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, maybe give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe you could subscribe. If you like Fallen Order, you might also like my tutorial on how to make a Seer Junda, so I will put that on the end screen as well as my playlist for you.